Nothing Phone 1. Buy 4. OLED display, powerful cameras on both ends, Qualcomm Snapdragon 778G chipset, 8GB RAM, fast charging battery, internal space can be extended, sidewise fingerprint sensor. Verdict: Nothing Phone 1 is all set to raise the bar with its robust class of configurations. It will enable users to play games, perform multitasking, and capture beautiful shots in variable lighting conditions. Moreover, its other features like an OLED display, vast internal space, and a fingerprint sensor make this smartphone even more practical for users. A smartphone that won't disappoint you. Display and camera. A beautiful OLED display of 6.55 inches is present on the Nothing Phone 1, and it is manufactured with an aspect ratio of 20:9. For an immersive viewing experience, the brand has also provided this display with a 2400 by 1080 pixels resolution and 402p pixel density. In the rear side optics department of the Nothing Phone 1, users find a powerful triple lens module. It includes a primary lens with 50MP resolution, an ultra-wide angle lens with 8MP resolution, and a depth camera with 2MP resolution. It also enables users to capture detailed images with its two shooting modes, HDR mode and continuous shooting mode. To shoot videos and capture images from the front side, Nothing Phone 1 is also equipped with a brilliant 32MP lens. Configuration and battery. Nothing Phone 1 is built to give sturdy performance over a range of tasks, thanks to its Qualcomm Snapdragon 778G chipset and an octa-core processor presenting a layout of single-core 2.4 GHz, Creo 670, tri-core 2.2 GHz, Creo 670, and a quad-core 1.9 GHz Creo 670. Users can also count on its 8GB RAM and Adreno 642 liters GPU to get consistent performance and eye-catching visuals in every task. A 4500 mAh Li polymer battery supplies the operational energy to the Nothing Phone 1. This non-removable type battery gets refueled by a fast charging system. Storage and connectivity. To fulfill the storage requirements of Nothing Phone 1 A tilde users, the brand has made available a 128GB space that can be increased further up to 1TB. The smartphone is also loaded with advanced connectivity features that include mobile hotspot, a GPS, 5G, Wi-Fi, USB Type-C, 4G VoLTE, LTE, Bluetooth V5.0 and NFC. Nothing Phone 1 price is expected to be 24,999 rupees. Nothing Phone 1 expected to be launched on July 12, 2022. This is 8GB RAM, 128GB internal storage base variant of Nothing Phone 1, which is expected to available in black, gold color. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.